Hello, Namaskar, Vadakkam, and Sat Shri Akal. Welcome to my channel Exuberance. I welcome you all in my channel that is Exuberance. If you like the videos, then subscribe, like, and share. Recently, I have visited the Legislative Assembly of Delhi on 14th August. So, let's watch the occasion and celebration of 14th August in Legislative Assembly of Delhi on 14th August. Thank you. Then so as you can see this, enjoy and explore this video. Thank you.
बीच वाला तो पूरा डांसर है।
थाम लो दिल को सब ये ज़मीं चूम कर सब कहो झूम कर ऐ वतन जान जा जान मन ये समा ये बहार दिल फिदा जानिसा ऐ वतन जान जा जान मन ये समा ये बहार दिल फिदा जानिसा जलवा तेरा जलवा तौबा मेरी तौबा मेरी निगाहें करती है मेरी निगाहें करती है तेरे कदमों जलवा तेरा जलवा।
So as you can see, it's the building of Vidhan Sabha, or we can say, Delhi Legislative Assembly, and it's a roadway. We can say there are fountains there, and this is one fountain and this is second one. Now it is off. या ओ बहुत ज़्यादा हाई स्पीड हो गई, उसका वो वाला बंद कर दिया ना उन्होंने, ये वाला. You can see we are celebrating आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव. So it's very special occasion for us. So it's 14th August. So as you can see, it's a flying bat. Flying bat देख लीजिए. Yeah. The feeling are amazing. You can visit this place on special locations and generally also. Okay. Okay. She is my model, so she will explain all the things, as you can see. Okay, so this is the basically a stage where a host is trying to give a speech. Yes, he's trying to. Yeah, I can if you want, because some people do not want to, reveal their faces. Yeah, now it's okay. We are, roaming around this. Okay.
There's a fountain.
You to come
तो
here.
एडिट करके वो जो परफॉर्मेंसेस की वीडियो थी ना
Okay, definitely ब्लॉग बनाएंगे.
पूरा ब्लॉग बना.
वाह, इधर के भी अच्छे क्लिक करवाना है, हमें तो क्लिक करवाना है, प्लीज कर देना.
खड़ी हो जाना, मैं करती हूँ.
हाँ, it's I don't know whose statue is this.
Yeah.
We can see here there.
First we have to look who is he? Who is he? Who is he? I think we should not say it like that because it sounds very... Yeah. So he is Chaudhary Brahma Prakash. Yeah, first Chief Minister. First Chief Minister? Yeah, दिल्ली के प्रथम मुख्यमंत्री चौधरी ब्रह्म प्रकाश की प्रतिमा है ये. हिंदी भी important.
As you can see, it's light show there. Okay. You can see it's a Corona Warriors picture, front line worker. So we have to give tribute to them also. This is the view, means light show in the Vidhan Sabha. It's a flag, our national flag. So we are exiting in this place. So As you can see, if you come here, and yes, we are going to.
So this thing was very tall back then.
Yeah, yeah. Let's go. Wow, this tree is looking so nice, so beautiful. Come here. Let's go to see the pictures. We can say,
और मिलेगा कि नहीं या शायद ही अब ऐसी सिचुएशन हो सिचुएशन नहीं बट आई थिंक सो मैंने बुक पढ़ी हाँ हाँ I literally fell in love with him and I was like oh my god yeah he was real warrior yeah he was something yeah definitely something we came here please
पहले हर बोलो के मोह हमने सुनी कहानी थी खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी।
ये हमने 5th या 6th में पढ़ी थी।
हाँ
तब हमने
Even
पढ़ी थी।
हमें याद थी पहले।
हाँ हाँ नहीं ये तो हम सोचते थे इसको उसमें
दिल्ली विधान
yeah. As you can see, this is the view of very nice. It's written, we haven't drone camera, so it's written Delhi Vidhan Sabha with stones,
pebbles.
pebbles.
Should we take one?
Yeah. it's
A small
it's
one.
a small.
I just saw.
No, हमारे यहाँ पे ना रामदली में भी ऐसे मिला था बहुत नहीं yes.
As you can see, we are in a Vidhan Sabha. It's a 14th August. So this is the statue of So मेरा स्थान देश बंधुओं से है। विठल भाई झावेर भाई पटेल हैं ये 1873 से 1933 का इनका जन्म पीरियड रहा। भारत के उपराष्ट्रपति के कमलों से माननीय डॉक्टर शंकर दयाल शर्मा के कर कमलों द्वारा इसकी स्थापना गया है। हाँ so yeah and as you can see okay please I know she is boring oh yeah I generally do I okay come as he's going oh wow it's so nice yes wow it's a very good fountain as you can see here yeah wood very beautiful it's a we can say a red tree but it's not really red it's a effect of light and it's a flag this is fountain and this is Tiranga our national pride okay
अंदर देख अंदर पूरा।
Let's go in this. Yeah, it's a Inkilab Jindabad. It's a very nice, we can say it's a
Manish Sisodia was supposed to come. He's not here, right?
yes.
Is he here?
No, I think so. Let's go. Yeah. So we are exploring this house. So let's go with this. Let's see. Shahid Ashfaqullah Khan. Yes. As you can see the picture of Shahid Ashfaqullah Khan. Upstairs, ये है फांसी घर. What we have to say in English? फांसी घर को.
I don't know, I guess it is something where
Yes, he is a Shahid Hemu Kalani. He is a Shahid Kartar Singh Sarabha. It's a beautiful place. He is a Shahid Dinesh Gupta, Khudiram Bose, and he's I think so Shahid Gulab Singh Saini.
बहुत दिन तक भूखे रहे वो यंगेस्ट वो थे फ्रीडम फाइटर.
Yeah. So as you can see, Shahidon ko naman. So we have to give tribute to them. Sorry, we have to.
ये लकड़ी की है.